Mamamatay ba ako? CJ, how does one surf?
We get you an instructor.
Kayong dalawa? Sa tingin nyo ba matuturuan nyo ako ng isang may mangyayari ba sa akin?
Siyempre naman, ma'am.
Kuya, sigurado ba kayong hindi ako mamamatay?
Oo, ma'am.
Totoo ah.
Safe, ma'am.
Ryan, ready ka na ba?
Hindi.
Kuya, hindi talaga ako mamamatay ah.
Hindi mo.
Marami pa kasi akong pangarap eh.
Ma'am.
Promise ah, hindi ako mamatay ah.
Oo, ma'am.
Magkaka-abs ba ako pagkatapos?
Pag inaraw-araw natin, ma'am.
Pag grabe yung araw. Yung goal ko muna, parang hindi lang ako mamatay today. Ross, mag-goal setting tayo.
Okay.
Ano yung goal natin? Aside
First
from
of all,
magmamatay,
to survive.
yeah, to get back to Manila in one piece.
Secondly, wala
To-
maka-ride tayo.
To ride like at least 3 waves. Okay, 3 waves. Okay, so this is my friend Ross, and well, we just did a whole surfing tutorial. So I'm proud to report na I was able to ride half a wave. Nakatayo naman kami. At may moment pa kami where we surfed and we were standing up and medyo na-realize namin pareho na wow, we're so cool. And then we both fell. But then, nagutom na kami, so we're here by the beach, waiting for the boys. We don't know where they are. We don't know when they're coming back.
Ayun o, that's actually.
Asan?
Yan.
Wow! Wow!
CJ!
Hindi ata nila kami naririnig. Hindi ko pa mag-gets yung mga break, wave, chuba.
Same, I don't know how to read.
Like, ang sinasabi niya, hindi daw pwede yung nag-break na because pag nag-break na, pag
Hindi ka
nag-break
na
na,
mag-move
masyado nang malakas. Yung hindi pa mag-break, yung masyadong malayo yung mag-break. Kasi daw, parang mahina naman. But then how do you see? The whole group decided to take an after lunch nap, and now we're off to the ocean.
One day,
Ano gagawin?
Magkakaroon na. Tara na.
Sometimes I need easy chair, stupid love, fresh as the morning air, stupid love. So, pauwi na kami. CJ's drunk at like 1 p.m. Kasi adults kami. Okay ka na, CJ? Sober ka na ba?
Oo.
Hoy, hapon na. Anong trip mo? Nandito na po kami sa kotse kung saan lasing pa rin si CJ. So, anong oras na guys? What's our CJ check? What's our CJ situation?
Hindi ako aman.
Sober na siya. Pwede na tayong lahat umuwi.